kind of a weird one. Got a 2018 GMC Acadia. Needs a starter. I smacked it and it started. It was getting stuck. These have the start stop, so starters get overworked. I've never done one of these. I read about it. It says few things going on, so I don't think I will be able to film the actual removal of this. But yeah, it's just right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I know there's a bolt on the top behind, kind of like the Hondas, but the Hondas are cool because they have that 14 millimeter. So I'm gonna try to do this. Maybe I could take the exhaust. That might not be too bad, but it calls for you to take out the axle. But I might take out the shield for the alternator so I can reach a tool behind, and then I'm gonna try to, oh yeah, I think I could do it without taking the axle. We'll see. We'll catch up here in a little bit. I got to do a couple things first and then we'll get to it. So I don't know if you can see that, but we'll catch up here in just a little when I get it out. So all right, we got it out. It's been about 20 minutes, but pretty tight, and I think I got lucky getting this bolt that's on the top here. Let me get this thing out of here. Once you get it out, it comes right out. I actually dropped the exhaust, so you got to take it out to get the plug. But this bolt right here, man, so I just snuck it behind the starter and it sits like on the top. I don't know if you could see that, but when you get them, when you get the starter back in, there's just the tiniest amount of room to stick your hand up there and place the bolt. So pain in the ass though, man. But yeah, I didn't have to remove the axle. I just took 2 bolts off the alternator and shifted the shield so I could fit some tools up there. Pays 1.6. Fucking bullshit, man. So we'll get a good shot of it when I get it back in and it starts, hopefully. All right, I got it in already, but I just wanted to show real quick. I should have just filmed it, but I'm gonna be real with you, I don't know how the hell I got that top bolt in. If you can see, I reached on top of the starter like this, and I was able to feel it with my middle finger, and then I slid an extension behind, got it on there, took it off. And then, like I said, I was able to put the bolt back on the same way. I just slid it in, but I'm just gonna put the shield back on the alternator, plug everything back in, put the exhaust back on, and then we'll get you the final video. Little quick shot. All right, we got it all up. We'll see if it starts. All right, let's take a quick look. Got it all up there. Things back on. Fucking everything's back on. All right, so put the cable back on and start it. And we'll call it. Not too bad to do it that way. You just have to snake that top bolt out and just remember exactly where it was. All right, put this cable back on. All right. Leave the keys in here. Maybe there's some cart. They gotta be in there. Oh, there they are. Okay, and they're in here. Started to scare me a little. Oh my gosh, it worked. We'll take that. Kind of tight workspace, kind of a pain. So started a couple more times. All right, cool. Stop start technology, man. It wears these damn starters out so fast. Feels good. take a quick look and then let it run for a minute, charge the battery, we'll get it out of here. Yeah, like I said, not too bad. All right.